welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are doing this very chilled get ready with me look. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. On my way, or I'm getting ready to be on my way to a very late birthday party. So it's my birthday party, it's my friend Michelle's, it's her sister's birthday party, and it's our friend Danielle's. I don't know when Danielle's birthday was. I think it was in February. Mine was in March. Rachel's was in March, and Michelle's is in May. Because of COVID and just work and life in general, we decided to just throw like a crab feast and have everybody come out, and then we just claimed it's to celebrate our birthdays. That is what I'm getting ready for. Yeah, so I'm excited because I haven't had crabs in such a long time. A pasta salad, I call it my Maryland pasta salad because it has tons of Old Bay, has crab, imitation crab meat, and it has shrimp in it. So I just call it my Maryland pasta salad. So it's literally bow tie pasta, chopped celery, red onions, dill seasoning, mayo, a little bit of Dijon mustard, a lot of Old Bay, some garlic salt, and I think that's it. And you mix it all together. Oh, a little bit of lime and lemon juice, just like a tad bit, and shrimp and imitation crab meat. So good, super good. I literally just took couple recipes, put them together, and that is what I came up with. Let me put my hair back because we are going to start doing foundation. So I'm going to go in with the, oops, not that one. I'm going to go in with my two foundations that give me a beat face. Hold on. There we go. They give me a beat face, and that is the NARS. This is the Creamy Radiant foundation. This is in Marquise, and then the Hourglass and Walnut. I got this from Jaclyn Hill. She put these two combinations together, and I'm like, you know what, bitch? You are onto something. So it's like my favorite combinations to do. Like I have to like wash my beauty blenders again. This one's clean, but it's like, the other ones are dirty. I don't understand. How do they get so dirty? As if I don't do my makeup every day. What I like about, you know, these parties, because I don't know how it is in your state, but I guess it's everywhere. The CDC said you don't have to wear a mask if you're fully vaccinated outside. And most of the people, if not all the people that are coming, are vaccinated, so that's exciting. It's a small group, it's not a huge group of people coming, even though we did invite a lot of people. I believe it's gonna be like 6 to 8 people, it's not that much. I'll work in the public, so we're all vaccinated, and yeah, so it's exciting. It's exciting to get back to normal, but at the same time, people are still dying from COVID, so everyone needs to be mindful. Like, people are under the impression just because I'm vaccinated it means I can go out in public with no mask and I'm fine. No, you can still get COVID, you can still affect other people, it's just not a high percentage. So I know somebody who had the vaccine and literally got COVID, so yeah, just be mindful of others. I think in the CDC it said you didn't have to remain 6 feet or anything like that. But again, this COVID's not completely gone. So just be mindful of your surrounding and everybody around you. I'm still gonna wear a mask, I think, out and about. I got my mouth. I'm still gonna wear a mask out and about, because that's just who I am, but CDC says you don't have to. Look at his beat face. Ugh. So nice. I'm gonna put the rest over the foundation on my lips, so that way when I go to do my lipstick, it's a clean slate. Since we're gonna continue with the good combinations that I got from Jaclyn Hill, I'm going in with the Morphe. This is in C335. I think this is the one I used. Yeah. So I'm going in with C335 and then the Hourglass and Maple. And that's gonna be my concealers today. So I'm gonna take their Hourglass and kind of go in that area. On both sides, obviously. And then I'm gonna take the Morphe. And the Morphe I'm gonna put on my eyelid. And then just a little bit more in this corner. Lately, I've been obsessed with using this Morphe, what's rubbing off E7 brush. It's like a flat kabuki style brush. And I've been using it to do my concealer instead of a beauty blender. I'm gonna take the excess because I don't want to add any more. And I'm gonna go to the sides of my nose and to the corners of my mouth to highlight. And just go back in to make sure it is blended. Under my eyes, I'm going in with the Fenty Pro Filter powder, and this is in the shade Cashew. It's one of my favorites. And I'm going in and I'm just going to set my under eye and my lid and make sure this shit doesn't crease because we do not want it to crease. Extras and go up a little bit. So we are going to contour, okay? We're going to contour. So for contour, I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill. I was debating if I want to do this. I'm going to go on the Jaclyn Hill. This is in Cocoa Rich and Hot Lava, so I am going to use these two products. So I'm going to go in. The Jaclyn Hill bronzer is a bronzer that's super buildable, like on me. Like if you're darker than my skin tone, and I mentioned it in my video before, this isn't going to be the bronzer for you, but it's just right for my skin tone. You guys, I get my weave out tomorrow. So the next time you see me in a video, I'm gonna have my, I was gonna say original hair. Well, it's gonna be my hair. Oh my god. I'm hopefully gonna get my hair done before vacation, which is in July, but I'm like pushing it because we are already in May, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I'm gonna build this up, buff it out. It's a beautiful, beautiful, I think it's a beautiful contour bronzer for my skin tone. It's so pretty, it's subtle, but it's got a little kick to it. I'm gonna take this flat Urban Studio brush. I don't know where I got this. And I'm gonna grab some color on it, not too much. And we're going to contour the sides of my nose. I normally don't do this, so I don't know why I'm doing it, but we're here. And I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna kind of buff it out a little bit. Not sure if I did anything, but it did in my head. I got one with the blush. The blush is super pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. And I'm gonna stay towards the highs of my cheeks. Yep, we're gonna stay like that. So pretty. And then we're gonna take the remainder and put it on my nose. Look how pretty that is. I think I'm gonna take the Fenty highlight. This one is in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. So I think I'm just gonna mix them both. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Mix them both and go in with that. So I'm gonna take my Morphe G37 brush and kind of just dip in both of them. I feel like there's like hair on me somewhere. I feel like that would really look good with this blush and bronzer duo. Look at that, yeah. So we're just gonna I'm just gonna go in. So I'm gonna set this. So I'm gonna go in with Morphe. Ooh, before I do that, I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill before I do that. This is the Luminous Powder in Brilliant. What I like to do with this powder is I like to use it under my eyes. So let me find the brush. There it is. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna set right under my eyes. It gives it such a brightening effect. Look at that. And you can use this powder all over your face, she says, but I like it right under my eye like that. You guys see like automatically how bright under my eyes gets? It's just super pretty. Now we're gonna set my face with Morphe. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my brows. You already know I always get to press when we do this. So let's go in with these brows, guys. It's not bad, it's never great, but it's better than what it usually is. So what are we gonna do with these eyes? I think I'm gonna keep it smoky because I think I do want to do a red lip. I feel like the red lip is not the way to go, but what do you want from me? Right? I feel like the red lip's like not the way to go. This is what I do, guys. What I do on an everyday basis. I have no idea what I want to wear. So I sit here and I kind of just stare at myself and I visualize like, what do I want to wear? Do I want to do bold lip, bold eyes, soft lip, simple eyes? I don't know. I always cut to like my go-to, which is like a pink look. But then I would have to wear a nude lipstick. But for some reason, I feel like I want to wear like a bold lipstick. Going with the MAC. This is the Art Library. Oh, I called it Artistry or something, but it's the Art Library palette, and I'm gonna stick to like the darker shades, like Embark, and I might do that. I'm just gonna do like a quick smoky eye. I honestly don't want it to be like super heavy. I want to be like heavy on my lips, so I'm just gonna go in and smoke out my inner corner. So I want to do gold. Gold. Oh, you know what? I just got something in my Boxy Charm. So I just now got my my April Boxy Charm. My April, guys. I just got my April. Let that sink in. It was hella late. So this is the Appeal. It's a liquid eyeshadow in gold. So we're gonna use this. Oh, that is like super gold. Okay, so we're gonna paint this on. Alright, so I'm gonna do a wing liner. I'm gonna go in with these Duo like stamp liners. I got this from Amazon. Which one's this one? It has like right or left on them, so this one's the right one. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in like that. And kind of just do like a little wing liner. Actually take this shimmery gold shade right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna go in to the corners of my eyes because I want them to be brightened. There we go. It's pretty. I'm gonna take some of that and I'm gonna go down just like halfway on my lower lash line. I like this. Okay. 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 So I think I'm done with the face. So I'm gonna go in with the IT Cosmetic Your Skin Look Better. Ugh, I think I got some of that in my mouth. Lashes, you already know. You guys, I can't go in with any other lashes. So we're doing Anastasia Beverly Hills and Lash Brag. Just to coat them, because you know we're going in with lashes. I'm actually gonna take this powder and I'm gonna take, I feel like I have something in my eye, guys. I'm gonna take the little sponge thing, and it's dirty because I use this quite a lot. And I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna press it on the sides of my nose like this. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I am wearing glasses and I just want to make sure they have extra, well, sunglasses, but they have extra coverage on the sides of my nose. I will be bringing this with me. Let me show you my glasses, what I'm talking about. See how they have, you know, this is the type of nose, and I feel like once I put them on, it's gonna slide. Ooh, look at that. I got these off of Amazon, guys. Aren't they cute? But I feel like they, once, you know, I'm gonna be outside sweating, it touches, it's going to rub my makeup off. So I just want to make sure that a bitch has extra coverage. We're gonna go on with these lashes. I cannot make up my mind, guys. I can't. I end up going in with the matte black lash contours from Kiss Cosmetics. I really like it. It's pretty. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill lip liner in Bourbon. This lip liner is kind of like my skin, my lips, but better. It just mattes it and gives it a little bit of color. And then we're gonna go in with, not feisty. We're gonna go in with, where's it at? I think it's Be Bold. Here we go, Be Bold, which is like a brownie shade. I'm gonna go in with, what is this one? Krabby, which is a little bit lighter. I'm gonna bring my lashes. I don't know, I should bring, oh. And brush my hair out, and this is the final look. Different than what I was thinking, because I was definitely thinking like a red lip, but this looks good, right? That looks really good. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this like really relaxed, chilled get ready with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.